All right, we've got all our strips done in pairs now, lined up on our portable design wall. And now the process really speeds up, so it's a whole lot of fun. Now you're going to take this pair and sew it to this pair, and this one to this. So you'll have fours. And from there, here are our fours. The sets of four then go together to make 8. And it doesn't take very long to put those 8s all together, and you have your strip set finished. At that point, I like to starch it with spray starch and iron it so it has a little more stability for when you're cutting. So we'll go on and get these sewn together and go to the next step. Don't go away, it's gonna be fun.